Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Podify and this is the best LinkedIn growth software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on Podify. Now diving straight onto the platform, if you are looking to grow your LinkedIn, maybe for your customer outreach, you're looking for new clients or maybe engagement and followers, in just 5 minutes a day, this is the platform for you. It provides you amazing features that are going to be skyrocketing your audience on LinkedIn. So you can see you can boost your visibility and build trust, and using its interface and features you can add different type of community members around. You can also build a strong connection with them as well, so you can do a lot of work in really less amount of time, so 5x reach without the 5x work. So always find relevant leads, find their emails, validate and write a clear copy, pay fortune to email tools, spend weeks. So this was the, you can say like old, or so you can say like it was the primitive way to do it. And now Podify, with Podify you can choose how many target audience you want to reach, and your LinkedIn post handler will be doing all of its work basically. So you can give it very less amount of time every day and you can get to build a really powerful and strong audience. Let's say if you are still unsure about Podify, you can go through its reviews, so you can see good value, shipping and delivery, customer service, price and quantity, everything is almost up to 5 stars and a lot of people are loving it. To give it a try to Podify, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you guys around in the next video.